Hey guys, it's the YouTube Connolly family here, and we have a special video today. It's called Baby Demolition. And in the blue corner, we got Tessa. She might look cute, but she uses that cuteness to her advantage. Her nickname? Skull Crusher. Dun 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 dun. And over here in the pink corner, we got Shay, the ice cream machine. Shay, you got any words today to all your fans out there in the demolition world? Okay, good to know. All right, Shay, enter your vehicle. Shay, please enter your vehicle. Ah, don't attack me yet. Come on, Shay. Let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Let the demolition begin. All right, Tessa's going out in the charge. Oh no, she left her vehicle again. I guess we'll hit it empty. Oh shit, Tessa went off course. Sorry about this video, but Shay has ruined it. Tessa, let's go get Shay anyways, okay?
Okay.
Whee! We're coming for you, ice cream eater. Where is she? Oh, maybe she found a new vehicle. Shay! Blake, get your hand out of there. Did you find a new vehicle, Shay? Shay! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Chugga, 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 choo-choo! Choo-choo! I'm saying that because usually she'll sit on that. I guess not. And there she goes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry we didn't get what we wanted. But I think Shay has disqualified. And Tessa, the Skull Crusher, is your winner. Nice job, Tessa. Now, can someone get this crazy kid off my back? Please. Bye.